In this video, I'll show you how to pair your AirPods 4 with your iPhone or iPad. So let's get started. The first thing you need to do is to make sure that both AirPods are inserted in their case. Then bring the case close to your other device, your iPhone or iPad, and open it. Usually after a few seconds, you should see a screen appearing right over here. You see AirPods with a big connect button. Once you see this, simply press connect, and this is it. It's very easy. You'll be able to use them in just a few seconds after you connect them. But what if you do not see the screen? It could happen. It does not mean they're broken. You need to make sure that the AirPods are actually into pairing mode, and to know for sure that they are in pairing mode, this LED LED over here, the white one, should blink. If it's not blinking, it simply means they are not in pairing mode. And to put them in pairing mode, you simply have close the case, open the case, and double tap right in the middle here in the front of the case. You see, now it's not in pairing mode. If I double tap, the light blinks and they are. Then you need to go on your iPhone into the settings, the Bluetooth settings. So how do you do this? Very easy. You just have to drag down, drag down from the top right corner. Once you see Bluetooth, you should see it somewhere in the screen, keep press on it, then Bluetooth settings. In this list, first of all, make sure that it's turned on, go down, and under other devices, you should see AirPods. Click on them. Usually it takes just a few seconds. Press continue. Here they will tell you how to use some new features for these AirPods 4, like you can nod your head to do certain things. You can turn this on or you can turn this off if you don't think you're going to use it. This is just personal, honestly. I'll turn them on. And after a few seconds, you should see them in this list being added with your other Bluetooth devices. If you click on the eye icon beside your AirPods, you're going to have more options. Here you have name. You can rename them and give them your personal name. I don't know what you like to call them. Over here you're gonna have some controls if you want to edit how certain things are actually controlled on them. It's again a very personal thing. But more important, if you go right down over here, you have these two things: disconnect and forget this device. Disconnect, if you click this, just like it says, it will simply disconnect them, and if you're gonna play music on your iPhone, the sound will come out of the speakers of the iPhone. And next time you put them in your ears, you open them, they will reconnect automatically and you'll be able to use them again. If you click on forget this device, this is a permanent thing, so it will completely remove them from your iPhone. And if you want to use them in the future, you're gonna have to repair them the same way I just showed you now. This is mostly used, let's say, resell them, or you wanna give them to somebody else. You're gonna press forget this device. But overall, this is it. I hope this was useful. If you have any questions, any comments, please write a comment down below. If not, I wish you a really nice day, and I'll see you in the next video.